hands over a fire in a can, over a fire in a can. Goliath was tall, King David was small. Oh, you can live on nothing at all. Oh, you can live on nothing at all. And I ain't gonna be hungry no more. No, I ain't gonna be hungry no more. This child broke my heart and then just carried on like nothing happened at all, like nothing happened at all. And I ain't gonna be hungry no more. No, I ain't gonna be hungry no more. Nobody cried for me. There ain't nothing to renounce. The world will turn somehow. Oh, the world will turn somehow. And I ain't gonna be hungry no more. No, I ain't gonna be hungry no more.
Hey there, welcome to the Judge Timbers channel. It's going to be a guitar lesson for Hungry No More. It's of course by Tom Petty and Mudcrutch off Mudcrutch's second album. I think it's the finale track. In fact, I know it is. I think it's a great finale song closer to Mudcrutch 2. So I guess essentially the last song we've gotten from Mudcrutch on album. It's a great track. Let's just get right into it, folks. There is no capo on this one. The guitar is in standard tuning. Let me just give you the chords. Let's start with that introduction, the kind of, I want to call it iconic, but whatever you want to call it. All right, so the easiest way to think of this, it's going to be an A, but just make an F major 7th shape, just that three-finger F major 7, and bring that up to the 5th fret, right? So you're there, and then you're going to add the sus4. So whatever, on the 3rd string, on the G string at the 7th fret. So you're going to play it this way, right? So sus4, then open up, then bring it down to the 3rd fret, and now a G sus4. Same sus4 pattern. Then I'm just going to play the F major 7th. And then I bring up to the G, back to the A. So you're going to have to play along to the record a little bit to get the timing, but it's something like this, right? Something like that. Again, just play along to the record to get it to your liking, but it's something like that. And then the verse is just an A. Just going to strum an A. I'm just going to keep that A shape here on the 5th fret. You could play a regular A if you wanted. It's fine. But I kind of like this with the high E ringing out and just that shape, that voicing. Just the A. Then you go to a D 7th. Over a fire in a can, a D 7th. could play that however you like, or barred. Come up here. A lot of ways to play a D7, but I'm going to play it just an open, regular D7. Back to the A. Back to the D7th.
You can live on nothing at all.
Now the next bar, that's going to be an F sharp minor, so I'm playing that barred on the 2nd fret. Could play it just kind of open little bar, but I'm just going to play a full bar, F sharp minor at the 2nd fret to a D or D7th. I think it's a D7. You keep the D7. Back to an A. Back to the F sharp minor. To a D7th. Back to the A. And that's really all you need. Then you're back, you just play that a couple of times, and then you've got the... So that's Hungry No More by Tom Petty and Mudcrutch, again off the 2nd Mudcrutch album, the finale track. Thank you, folks, for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you soon with another Tom Petty lesson, maybe Beatles, maybe Billy Joel, maybe Buddy Holly, who knows. I'll see you all soon. Take care.